Imagine you've been using TouchBistro for years. It's been a reliable partner in your restaurant's operations. But now, perhaps due to changing needs or budget constraints, you've decided it's time to move on. So, how do you actually cancel your TouchBistro subscription? It might seem daunting, but it's a process that can be completed with a few simple steps. Let's dive in. Understanding your contract. Before we get into the cancellation process, it's crucial to understand your specific contract with TouchBistro. Different contracts may have different terms and conditions regarding cancellation. Check your contract for any early termination fees, notice periods, or specific cancellation procedures. This will help you navigate the process smoothly. Contacting TouchBistro customer support. The most common way to initiate a cancellation is by contacting TouchBistro's customer support team. They can provide you with the exact steps and any specific requirements for your account. Here are some tips for contacting customer support. Be clear and concise. State your intention to cancel your subscription and provide your account details. Ask questions. Don't hesitate to inquire about any fees, refund policies, or data transfer options. Be polite. A friendly and respectful tone can go a long way in ensuring a positive experience. Cancellation process. While the exact steps may vary slightly, here's a general outline of the cancellation process. Provide your account information. You'll likely need to provide your account number, email address, and any other relevant details. State your reasons for cancellation. This information can help TouchBistro improve their services. Inquire about refund policies. If you're eligible for a refund, ask about the process and timeline. Discuss data transfer options. If you need to transfer your data to another system, ask about available options. Additional considerations. Early termination fees. If your contract includes early termination fees, be prepared to pay them. Data backup. Before canceling, ensure you have a backup of your important data. Alternative solutions. Research other POS systems that might suit your needs. Canceling your TouchBistro subscription doesn't have to be a stressful process. By understanding your contract, contacting customer support effectively, and following the outlined steps, you can smoothly transition to a new solution. Remember to be clear, concise, and polite throughout the process. Good luck. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.